Now, once we are okay with these, the next thing is then to come back and look at what we have directly in the syllabus. And so the first part of the syllabus is the contemporary approach to management accounting. Now, that area is a huge area. There are a lot of things there. Permit me to quickly just draw your attention to them in the syllabus. But no, okay, so we go. So in the conceptual framework, contemporary approaches area, there are a lot of theories there, materials there that the examiner wants you to read. Broadly, what you need to understand is that when it comes to the contemporary issues, three things: ethics, ethics, models of evaluation, and then environmental issues. Sustainability, and environmental issues. Let me write well. And environmental issues. Broadly, that's what we are talking about in this key area here. And IT. I'll just put it there, IT. So that's what the contemporary issues are talking about. Now, there are a couple of calculation issues there, like throughput accounting. So you look at something like throughput accounting. Yes, it's a calculation area, right? So throughput, there are calculations there. Activity-based costing, there are calculations there. So aside the throughput and the activity-based costing, the rest of the things here are reading areas that you must know about. So ethics, yes, in management accounting, we have ethics. The same issues from ethics if you have learned ethics before in your degree or HND or whatever the heck. Ethics, right? So the fundamental code of conduct that management accountants must adhere to: integrity, being honest and straightforward; objectivity, not allowing bias or conflict of interest to impair professional judgment; confidentiality, not disclosing essential information to third parties without a client permission or the employer's permission; then professional competence and due care, having the requisite knowledge, experience, and expertise to be able to do the job and carrying the job in the manner that is expected; then professional behavior, behaving in a manner that is acceptable in order not to bring shame or disgrace to the profession as a whole. So ethical issues, you must know that. Then models of evaluation. This is where there are a lot of issues that you must understand there. Again, this is a written area. It's a reading area. So apart from throughput and activity-based costing, which you will do, the activity-based costing, you will look at it in the introductory area. So that's out. So throughput, that's the calculation area that you will look at with some theories there. The rest of the things there are theories. So benchmarking, value chain analysis, business re-engineering, just-in-time system, and all of those things. Then sustainability and IT. Because remember, environmental issues are becoming important. So if you look at last semester, for instance, you will see the structure of the exam and the way the examiner sets the question. So you look at question number 3C last semester for 10 marks. Look at what the examiner asked. Discuss with examples 4 categories of environmental cost. And that is coming from the models of evaluation under environmental management accounting that you must know about. And so it is important you understand these things. Then some IT issues, how IT development and those things have assisted or enabled a management accountant to be able to carry out his job or her job pretty well at the end of the day. So those are the three things. So under the contemporary issues, really, your headache is going to be throughput accounting. It's not difficult, okay? But throughput accounting and then activity-based costing. That's all. Apart from these two, that will be calculation. All the rest are reading, written aspect. So you have to read them. And that is the 15 marks area that will be seen in the exam hall under contemporary issues. So either the examiner will do purely theory with you on that contemporary issues, or some calculation and theory. What does that mean? It means you may see either ABC, right? Activity-based costing and some theories. Or you will see throughput accounting and some theories. Or you will see just theories like the examiner did in the March 2025 examination. But that is the first aspect of the syllabus, contemporary issues. Again, this, you will come here after you've dealt with the introductory issues or the basic topics. That's very important. So that's number one, 15% contemporary issues. Please note, don't say that, oh, Nhyira, you know, when I read, I am somebody who waits. When the exam is getting closer or the day before the exam, that is why I start reading. Please don't do that. You must start reading. Don't lie to yourself that the day before the exam, you will start reading all the theories. Don't lie to yourself. Mix it up. Mix it up. So you got to be working, reading. Oh, Nhyira, the reading is a lot. So what do you want to do? What do you want? There's no shortcut. It's not like there is a way that you can learn these theories, value chain analysis. No, there is no way. You have to read them. And so if you don't enjoy reading so much, then our portal is going to help you. Why? Because we have the videos on all of these available. So you can watch the videos which have presented the theories on all of these areas in a very sweet, simple manner, so that you understand them as you go. Why? Because it's a 15 marks area that you need to be aware of. That is the first aspect of our syllabus, contemporary issues.